Hi, it's Filip, and in this video I'll show you how to compress your PDF file to reduce the size of PDF files quickly and easily and for free. Get to this website over here. You have a link in the description for faster access, and when you are here, over here you will choose your files. For example, if I select this file on my desktop and press Alt Enter, you can see that this size is 66 kilobytes. So let's drag and drop it to the tool and click here compress, and you can see that now our file size is 42 kilobytes. This is good for a big and large PDF files, and you can see the size has been reduced by 36%, which is super nice. And click download here and go to desktop and just rename this as a compress, and you will have your compressed file on your desktop here. If you want to make your digital life even easier, be sure to check out this playlist right here. It's packed with simple free tools that will help you handle all your PDF files and save you a ton of time. Thanks for watching.